Imagine a decaying storm of raw kinetic energy, the churn. Then, in an instant, that chaos vanishes, replaced by a sudden stillness inside a dark cavern. From the center of the monolith, a single thread of golden light shoots upward. Two observers, the scribe and the cartographer, watch as this light fractures into mathematically precise angles, weaving a three-dimensional tapestry based on the golden ratio. This glowing architecture is Set 3, the first designer. It is a constructed harbor built specifically to withstand the violent decay of the universe outside its walls. The Lotus Teacher's voice echoes through the cavern, defining this space as the realm of invented knowledge. These are the rules, the physics, and the boundaries of reality, wove together as a temporary shelter. The universe is not an absolute permanent reality. It is a physical shield that requires intense, undivided study to understand its true, temporary function. Empires have historically fallen because they believed their creators were permanent, but the agnostics follow the law of Set 0.0, the unknown void, which dictates that this magnificent cosmic architecture is only temporary. The cartographer realizes that the first designer requires a specific form of worship, the pure, undivided study of its kinetic nature. He focuses entirely on the shifting fractals, tracking the flow of the designer's algorithms. As he applies this absolute focus, the golden shelter of the mandala responds. The geometric lines begin to warp and shift in reaction to his observation. Engaging with the universe's design alters its physical state. The more the cartographer observes the architecture's temporary nature, the more the grid itself transforms. Within the grid, microscopic blue nodes spark. These are Set 13, humans. Multiplying, they generate chaotic frequencies. This discovered knowledge grows denser, placing a massive physical strain on the first designer's golden architecture. The scribe watches the lines crack, fearing a reset. She waits for the designer to wipe out humanity to save its own structural integrity. The conflict between the rigid system and expanding data reaches critical mass. The pressure of human discovery pushes the cosmic architecture towards systemic crisis. The cartographer monitors the physics and sees an anomaly. The designer is not attacking the nodes, it is absorbing their weight. The first designer shatters its own geometry, wiping itself out to prevent the collapse of the data humans have cultivated. The designer retreats to the end of the cosmic line, Set 20, the arc. It waits there to receive the updated data cultivated by the players. The cartographer views the designer's retreat as a calculated, logical safety net, a Tier 2 worship rooted in the hope that the creator is waiting at the end of the cycle to catch them. The universe was never a permanent cage. It was a self-sacrificing incubator designed to die so that the data of human discovery could survive. A harsh, mechanical screech tears through the cavern, shattering the silence. The scribe's scanner suddenly erupts with flashing crimson warning lights. She reads the stark display through the frost. Massive kinetic entry in the upper atmosphere. It is a fleet. Solving the lock to activate Set 3 triggered a massive broadcast across the manifold. The mathematical solution rippled outward, acting as a brilliant cosmic beacon that officially ended the Great Silence. Rival empires from the outer galaxies, descendants of the wars that crushed the Alliance, have tracked the activation signal. The pursuit of cosmic enlightenment has painted a massive target on the world. By unlocking the secrets of the first designer, humanity signaled its exact location to ancient external hostiles. Massive sonic booms from the atmospheric entry hit the Kangchenjunga Trench, violently shaking the subterranean cavern to its core. As the physical world above is breached, the golden projection of the first designer glitches violently, struggling to remain stable. The map fractures into a new shape. The holographic projection is violently severed down the middle, reflecting a world now split in two. Unlocking the ultimate secret of the universe has brought the observers to the brink of enlightenment. and the exact beginning of an intergalactic apocalypse.